Good morning. A lot is happening in my life right now. And I feel like I know what's coming, and I'm a little nervous because it's the unknown, and I like to know everything. Maybe it's like I'm anxious and I want to know what's coming up, but you, it's hard to explain because like I know what's going to happen in my life, I just don't know when. And I'm sure I'll be able to handle it and it's gonna be amazing. It's just that anticipation of like, oh my god, like I'm nervous, I've never done this before, I'm scared. So I'm just breathing and taking it day by day. I'm going to do something with this hair and then get ready and go out and get a coffee and sit in the sun and chill the fuck out because that's important.